This is Xian Hongjiao. I'm going to do the homework 1 in the 2 questions. Okay, let's begin. And in this question, we have two signals, 0 and 1. The probability of the input 0 is 0.6, and the probability for the signal 1 is 0.4. And after they send from a transmitter, here is transmitter, and if the input is the 0, and there is the 0.9 probability to get a 0, and the 0.1 probability to get 1. So this is error. And if the input is 1, and after the transmitter, there are probability of 0.2 to get 0, and this is error. And the red arrow is that the 0.8. So the first question is that we want to know what is the probability of the 0 we can receive. And there are two conditions. One is that we have the input 0 and output 0. And the other condition is that we have the input 1 and the output is 0. So these two conditions are independent, are mutually exclusive, because they cannot happen at the same time. So we can write like this: probability of 0 equals to probability 0 to 0 plus probability 1 to 0. And what is this one? This one, because the input and output are independent, so we can write like this: is equals to probability input 0 multiply with probability output 0, and plus probability input 1 multiply with probability output 0. So we use these numbers into this equation, and this equals to 0.6 multiply with 0.9, and plus this is 0.4 multiply with 0.2. So now we get this one. This is so this is the answer we have for the first question, is that 0.62. Okay, this is the first question. And in the second question, we want to know the probability of the error signal. So we have probability error equals to probability with input 0 and output 1. So this is error. And at the same time is plus probability input 1 and output with 0. So similarly, we have this equals to probability with input 0 multiply with probability and output 1 plus probability input 1 multiply with probability 0. So we put these numbers in, so that it is 0.6 multiply with 0.1 plus 0.4 multiply with 0.2. So this question is the answer of the question 2 is 0.14. So that's all. Thank you.